Hello Tony, I'm trying in the first video to explain how I use emails. First, I have, for example, I personally get to my account reminders when I have to play a match. I think it's 36 or 48 hours before. Then I get an email showing automatic reminder. Please think that you have a match you see on the next day at 8:30. And the PayPal payments I'm getting at the other email. For example, Petya Marinovic paid €35. So I go to the wbif page. I'm logged in here, and now I make payments, add payments, and I select Marinov Petya. I select PayPal and deposit €35 and send. I could also look direct at PayPal, of course, but this is a nice reminder here. Here I also see payments players. So here I have then a list of all the payments and how much he has on his wbif account. Another thing I'm getting here is, of course, also questions from players, because on the website, if I log in my matches, I see my winnings and the tournaments I'm playing. If a match is not played, I can edit it in several ways. Yeah, I'm logged in as admin now at the moment. Yeah, so I can, for example, contact my opponent by clicking on the yellow envelope. I can, on the other side, click on the pencil and fix a date and time, and I can edit a result. These are the most important options. And here you see it's written, if you have questions or problems with your opponent, please send an email direct to the tourney director. Of course, I think most people are not reading this. And here at the top, people also see if they have a positive or negative account, because you can only register for a tournament if you have enough money on your wbif account. The next email I want to show you is Turnierleiter at wbif.net or ebif.at. It was the old one, the other one is an alias. And here you say at the moment there are 50,000 emails, and there are different emails. For example, there are many emails which are just for the archive. I see match request, and match result, these are when the players are communicating with one another. And for example, if there was a problem with Bob Wachtel, I filter the emails of Bob, and then I see how often he exchanged emails with Chris Bray, and so this was fine. Yeah, but if there were problems, I can check the communication here. So these are 50,000 not emails which I did not read. Of course, I have to check here when there are new emails, and there are very many, each day at least 100. I have to look, for example, at special emails where the header is different. He just said thanks because, yeah, because he was getting an automatic email from me. Match date, match result. These are just emails which I don't read, just in special cases. Here Lawrence Renitsky was writing, hi Bernard, I wanted to pay the deep, but could not get inside wbif. Can you remember me how to pay? Okay, I answer this. Sometimes there is a problem, they have problems with PC, use Firefox, with Mac, install Google Chrome. It is security settings of your internet browser. The question if we could solve this kind of problems, yeah, that some players cannot log in out of these reasons and have to use a different internet browser. After login, go to my wbif, my payments. There you see all details for sending money. We have PayPal and Bankers account. Best regards. Okay. So here, for example, we have an automatic email where I get informations about the deadlines. This is, yeah, it's okay, but I don't really use it because there are old and new deadlines and it's a bit tricky. Okay, that's about the emails.